brings out this. So I'm so happy that we also bring it to Telugu land because there is so much of cultural immisceration between Marathi and Telugu culture and languages. And I know that this is also about... Now, this is like the Godavari. May I just give me I know I'm standing between you and your leader, but just give me a few minutes. A few minutes, okay? So, our cultures, the Marathi culture and the Telugu culture, they are our shared spiritual heritage. And they are not separate. They merge like the Godavari and the Krishna rivers. Now, so the translation of Swallowing the Sun is a 21st century continuation of that ancient confluence, a new bridge built on shared dharma, memory and artistic vision. And then I just want to say that Sri Pavan Kalyanji, the man of many avatars, it's just not a name that is celebrated but revered across Telugu land, and he's fondly known. I heard Power Star, Janasena Nayakudu, Janasenani, Praja Hridaya Neta. What avatar has he not donned? He is an actor who inspires, a martial artist who commands discipline, and discipline is something also I would request you just now to exercise. I know you are all exuberant. A stunt coordinator, director, choreographer and playback singer with rare versatility. A philanthropist who gives without fanfare. And since June 2024, the 10th Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, a visionary and a doer. Which field has he not touched? Which one has he not transformed? So I salute you, but most of all, I salute the belief that he has embodied, that one individual with clarity of purpose can redefine what it means to serve, whether through art, politics, and humanity. And for me, who founded and who has built up the first global organization to promote gender equality and women's empowerment, for me, his most important credential, I would say, is that he is a supporter of gender equality and women's empowerment and Nari Shakti. Did he not say that unless we respect women, how can we say Bharat Mata Ki Jai? And, you know, in our UN Women, honor that we give, I would truly say that he is a he for she. He for she. He for she. Do you understand that concept? That he is a man who champions women's rights. So, and of course you have your the Jhansi Veer Mahila